Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Well, the voting results are in, folks. We are officially changing our name to Heavy Metal Chef. Alright, but we got an exciting recipe for you. I know you guys are going to like it. Well, you know, sort of Asian-like. We're going to do some Asian garlic noodles. All right, I'm gonna use some udon noodles. All right. First, we're gonna get this. We're gonna use like 12 cloves of garlic, guys. Okay. And you don't have to blanch your garlic to get the peel off. All you do is cut each end; it peels right off. All right. Just give it a quick little smash there. Nothing like fresh garlic, guys. If you're going to do this, make sure you use fresh garlic. Don't use the minced stuff that's in the jar. All the flavor's gone in that stuff, you know? But we're just going to chop this up a little bit, and we're going to emulsify it in a pestle or mortar. Try to make it almost like a paste, okay? And man, my hands are going to smell like garlic tomorrow. But it's cool. It's cool. I always forget my little scooper, you know. So you're stuck with me scooping it with the knife, guys. But nice to be back with you. And you know, it was like popular demand on that Heavy Metal Chef. So, guys, comment. Let me know what you think. We're going with it. We got some more parts. Came in for the Reaper's Kitchen. Pretty awesome. Alright, so we're going to emulsify this garlic a little bit. So I'm just going to add just a couple little drops of sesame oil. Okay. It just helps it. We're going to throw some salt in there. Not a lot because it's salty enough. It's going to help turn this garlic into a paste. Switch it around. Oh yeah. Remember, guys, the highlight of this meal, garlic. Asian garlic noodles. See guys how it's turned into a paste? It's pretty awesome. And we got some scallions over here. We're going to cut them up as well. But it's been crazy, working a lot, and I apologize I didn't get the video up this weekend. If you only knew what happened to me. Locked the keys in the car, didn't have a spare, had to call lockout service, all when I was trying to get items to do the recipe. Alright? But I'm going to finish munching up this garlic, guys, into a paste, and I'll be right back with you. These are udon noodles. They're Asian noodles. I'm going to throw them in the water here. Give them a little twirl. We're going to let that come back to a boil. All right? We're not going to salt those either. Salty enough. So we have our butter in there. And we're going to throw our garlic in there. We don't want this to burn too much. You know, we don't want to burn it. throw about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in there. Alright, and we're going to throw in about a tablespoon, about a teaspoon of oyster sauce. That stuff is thick, guys. And about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Alright? Oh yeah. That smells good. Good to be back with you guys, though. I hope you guys can appreciate the name change. I mean, I'm always saying, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. So you know what? Yeah, we'll just keep it that way. We're gonna go heavy metal chef. Hope you guys like it. I know cameraman, he was like, what? Alright, now we're going to cook these noodles down. Probably almost done, because we're going to put them in the pan. So I'm going to turn this down. I don't want to burn my garlic. Alright. While our noodles are finishing up, guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn this down on low. We're going to cut up some scallions. Thin, guys, thin. Remember, keep your fingers in. Quick little chop, little chop. And we're gonna go ahead and chop this up for some garnish. Throw those scallions in there. Uh-oh. Then when part of my mortar and pestle hit the floor. That's right, we're done with it. Get them scallions in there. Alright, but while we're waiting on our noodles, guys, no use in you guys sitting around watching these babies cook. So when these guys are almost ready, we'll be back with you, alright? Hey guys, welcome back. If you notice, I'm not draining the noodles. Why? Well, I'm using this starch water to help make a sauce for the pasta. Alright? Give it a twirl. I think this might be my cameraman's first shot at Asian food.
Besides ramen noodles.
Ramen noodles.
Wait, do those count?
Well, yeah, you could probably sort of count those.
And rice?
Yeah. Now this is, it's about 10 ounces of noodles, guys. Alright? Now, if it starts to thicken up too much, just add a little bit more water. Alright? I'm just gonna sort of flip this around, get these flavors all together. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add about an ounce Pecorino Romano. You know, of course, Reaper's favorite. Smells pretty good, doesn't it, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
You know, nice, quick, less than 30 minutes is Asian meat. Good stuff. I don't know, Gunchy, he thinks I'm gonna throw stuff at him or something. Who knows? All right. But we'll go ahead and give this a twirl real quick. Our garlic never burnt, guys. And that's what you want. You don't want to burn up your garlic. Ruins the whole dish. Oh yeah. Man, that smells good. Whoops.
Man down.
Man down. You knew it was going to happen, didn't you guys? Oh, yeah. Man, that's good. All right, we are golden. Gonna go ahead and get this plated up. You know, you can use spaghetti if you want with this, guys. Nothing like Asian noodles, though. And we're just going to go ahead and garnish this with a little bit of them scallions. But there you have it, guys. Garlic, Asian garlic noodles. It's amazing. You're going to love it. You know what? Yeah, I'm a fan of pepper. You know, I'm going to throw a little pepper in there. All right? But again, I'd like to thank you for being with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. And we're working on the kitchen. We're progressing. I got more pieces and parts. But I love you guys. God bless. We'll see you next time.